Hello viewers, multiple sclerosis is a demyelinating disorder of central nervous system and it is not uncommon. It affects young people, mostly women, and the symptoms can be decreased vision, tingling and numbness on one half of the body, weakness, imbalance, and in some cases depression and also memory loss. Now we are going to stop multiple sclerosis, and how this can be done is by improving the diagnosis. We need to diagnose early, and today we have widespread use of ability of MRI scanners. So with the help of clinical examination and MRI, we can diagnose multiple sclerosis quite early. And then the second part of stopping MS is providing early treatment. So now there are excellent disease modifying treatments available for multiple sclerosis. Earlier we had only interferons, but now there are many oral therapies, tablets, which are very convenient to use. So once we improve the access to treatment, we can also stop multiple sclerosis. And the third part we can focus is on rehabilitation, because as I said, 10 to 20% of patients with MS can have disability. So we have good access to physiotherapy and rehabilitation facilities, and with these treatments definitely we can win over multiple sclerosis.